Right now, without a single conscious thought from you, a fist-sized muscle in your chest has already beaten more times today than you have taken steps in the last month. That is not a metaphor. That is the reality of the human heart, and it is only the beginning of what makes it extraordinary. The heart beats approximately 100,000 times every single day. Not roughly, not approximately, right around 100,000, which means by the time you reach 70 years old, it has contracted more than 2.5 billion times, and it has never once stopped to rest. But here is what is stranger. The heart does not actually need the brain to tell it what to do. It contains its own electrical system, the sinoatrial node, that generates its own impulse, its own rhythm, entirely independent of the nervous system. Remove a heart from the body, supply it with oxygen, and it will keep beating. It carries its own instructions, and yet it is remarkably efficient. Each beat pumps roughly 70 milliliters of blood. Over the course of a single day, the heart moves approximately 2,000 gallons of blood through nearly 60,000 miles of blood vessels, a network long enough to circle the Earth more than twice. Even more surprising, the heart is the first organ to form in a developing human. Before the brain, before the lungs, before the eyes, there is a heartbeat. At just 22 days after conception, that tiny structure begins to pulse. The heart also produces a hormone. Discovered in 1983, atrial natriuretic peptide is released by the heart itself to regulate blood pressure, meaning this organ does not simply pump blood. It actively monitors and manages the body's fluid balance. And here is the fact that lingers longest. During a lifetime, the heart generates enough energy to drive a truck from New York to Los Angeles and back, more than 5 times over. All of it created quietly, tirelessly, inside your chest. The human heart was designed with a precision that humbles every engineer who has ever tried to replicate it. A wonder of the Creator's hand, beating faithfully from your very first days to your very last.